Students, open your book. It so happened on page number 17. We shall start next lesson, The Selfish Giant, written by Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was born on October 16, 1854, and he was passed away on 30 November 1900 at the age of 46. He wrote so many stories like The Canterville Ghost, The Portrait of Mr. W.H., Lord Arthur's Savage Crime, The Selfish Giant, and on his work so many movies are also made like Dorian Gray and Pact with the Devil. Now let us see the paragraphs. The Selfish Giant. Selfish means introvert. Giant, devil, monster. The monster who thought about only himself. So every afternoon as they were coming from school, the children used to go and play in the giant's garden. In the afternoon time every day, as they were coming from school, who is they? They used for children. When children were coming from school, they used to go and play in the giant's garden. They used to visit in the garden of giant. Why for? What was the reason to visit there? Only to play. To play, these children visited to the garden of giant. It was a large, lovely garden. And how was the garden? Garden was big and it was attractive, charming, lovely, with soft green grass, and the ground of the garden was covered with soft grass. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars. Here and there means at some places over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars. There were flowers on the grass and they were shining as the stars shine in the night. And there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl. And there were 12 peach trees. In that garden there were the trees of peach. Peach is one of the fruit. So there were the trees of fruit in that garden. And how many trees were there? Yes, there were 12 trees in that garden. And in the autumn bore rich fruit. And those trees of peach were laden with what? Fruit. In which season? In autumn season. The birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly. Birds used to come flying and sat in the branches of the tree, and they used to sing sweet songs that the children used to stop their game in order to listen to them. And when the birds started singing, children stopped their game, their play, and paid their attention towards the song of the birds. How happy we are here, they cried to each other. Children cried to each other that they were very happy when they were present in the garden. Next paragraph. One day the giant came back. The giant, the owner of the garden, returned. He had been to visit his friend, the Cornish ogre. So earlier he went leaving the garden to where? To meet his friend. And what was the name of the friend? Ogre. And he belonged to Cornwall. And had stayed with him for 7 years. And that giant lived with his friend Ogre for how much time? For 7 years. He lived there. When he arrived, he saw the children playing in the garden. After 7 years, when he returned from his friend Ogre, Then he found that children were playing in his garden. What are you doing here? He cried in a very gruff voice. In a very rough voice, the giant cried what the children were doing in that garden. And the children ran away. Listening his voice, children ran away from the garden. My own garden is my own garden, said the giant. Giant said that it was his own garden. Anyone can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play in but myself. Anyone can understand that. Anyone can understand that it was the garden of giant, and he did not allow anyone to play inside it. Only he could play inside that garden because it was the garden of that giant. So he built a high wall all around it. To stop the children, he prepared the wall around the garden and put up a notice board and hang one of the notice board. And what was written on the notice board? Yes, trespassers will be prosecuted. With these words, writing these words, he hang one of the, yes, what? One of the board, notice board. That trespassers means those who intrude by force. Intruders will be prosecuted, means they will be punished. Who will be punished? Intruders. Intruders will be punished. Those who will enter without permission will be punished. That was written on that notice board. So we shall take more paragraphs in next video. Thank you.